Hi everyone. All right, so I had this question. Actually, I get this question a lot. Mascara. What's a great way to, when you're switching from a toxic mascara to a cleaner, there's a little bit of difference when it comes to performance and how to keep it on your eyes and stay on your eyes. Okay, at Beauty Counter, we have two mascaras. Seriously been waiting a long time to switch to cleaner, safer mascara. A lot of you probably have sensitive eyes, itchy eyes, and even headaches, and it really can be traced back to what you're using on your eyes, from mascara to eye cream to eyeshadow. So it took Beauty Counter 3 years to formulate a safer one because it's hard for cleaner mascara to stay on and performance. Ours is not perfect, but there is a trick to keeping it on, okay? So ours comes, first of all, it comes in the lengthening, which is smaller tube. So if you have smaller eyelashes, like mine, you want this one. It has a smaller brush on it, and it will grab every of those little baby hairs, even underneath as well, okay? If you have larger eyelashes, then I would recommend this one. This is the volumizing, and it's larger, and I have to open it here, brush, okay? So a couple tips is I actually take the tip and I like to use it like this. So it's more like a windshield wiper up, okay? So when you use it, I actually use both of these. Shocking, right? I like to use my lengthening first, and you don't want to push it back and forth in the barrel because you're going to dry it out, right? It's moisture in there. You don't want to dry it out. So the idea is you can rock it, you can hear it back and forth, and you really want to get the product on the brush. So the easiest way is I actually warm it up underneath my arm for like a few minutes, like maybe I'm doing my foundation, maybe I'm brushing my teeth, combing my hair. But once you get it warmed up, you can really feel the difference, okay? Then once you apply it, you actually have to rock it back and forth, okay? It's not just blink, blink, up, up. You have to rock it back and forth. So I like to first use my lengthening, and then a lot of you have the volumizing. And so this one, it just gives it a thicker look, and you want to rock it up and down. So see the kind of the little hack where I bent it so I don't have to sit there with my hand up, but it really works nice like that, okay? I can feel it grabbing, I can feel it applying on, see the difference, okay? So the idea is you want your mascara to come off every night. I personally don't want to wear mascara that's 2 or 3 days old. You have to let it breathe just like your skin, and you get it chipped in your eyes. Like, none of that is very appealing, right? So those are a few of my tips. Another thing that I like to do, this one is probably about 3 or 4 months old, and there's plenty of product on there, but I want it to be a little bit more hydrating. You can make it go even further if you put like 1 drop of oil, and this is, you can use any of our oils, the balancing, plumping, I'll put 2 drops, or the brightening inside here. So once you put it in here, you want to put it in here and you want to really rock it around. Even smells good. You can do lavender oil, you can do cedar oil, you can do any of those. I have the Beauty Counter oil, so of course I'm going to use that, okay? So again, I'm rocking the bottom, pulling up, rocking the bottom and pulling up, okay? So those are just a few really fun little hacks that I use for our mascara. I wish I would love to tell you I have really long eyelashes, but I don't. I don't have itchy eyes. They work great, and it lasts. Like, the only way that comes off if you start rubbing your eye, or if you actually use a cleanser. I wore this mascara motorcycling last year, 4-wheeling. It stays. It doesn't go anywhere until you take it off, okay? So I hope you like some of those tips. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd love to help you.